what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be a little bit of sad news. Unfortunately, something happened to the Evo. Yet again, it's kind of tradition at this point. The Evo is a love-hate relationship, as we all know. Some news that we have not shared with the channel yet, just because it was still a work in progress, is that we are selling the Evo. There's a big project coming up soon to the channel, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button below so you don't miss a beat. But first, let's figure out what's going on with the Evo. Let me tell you what happened. So first things first is that with the Evo, we're selling it, obviously. I'm sure if you follow all my social media, which I'll leave all the links below in the description, you'll see the Evo post. We shared it to a lot of the Evo groups throughout Florida. We got a lot of popular hits on it. We had a buyer ready to come grab her. We were gonna meet up with them. And then unfortunately, when we were loading up the Evo, we did one final test drive, make sure everything was good, and a big old puff of smoke, probably the biggest we've ever seen, covered the entire windshield. Couldn't see anything. So we pulled off to the side, and now we are pulling her apart to see what happened. We did do a compression check. The fourth cylinder, for some reason, is only reading 30. Everything else was reading 185 prior to, so now it's reading 30. So we're pulling off the head. We already dropped the oil pan. We are gonna figure out what's going on with it. Hopefully it's something quick and easy to fix. It's unfortunate. Like I said before, this car is a love-hate relationship. It absolutely hates us right now, but that is okay. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, but let's go check out the progress with the Ginger right now. He is pulling apart the motor. He is not the happiest. Let's check it out. All right, so we've got the Evo here. Obviously a very unhappy Ginger. Not entirely sure what happened, but it was the fourth cylinder that was reading 30. I'll show you the compression check here. And so right now, all we're doing is pulling everything off so we're able to pull the head. We're probably going to end up pulling the whole motor, taking off the tubular front end, making it easy. We'll probably, depending on what the damage is, we got to see what the damage is. Maybe it's an easy fix. We don't know. Maybe we just have to replace the piston and rings. We'll find out. We won't find out until we get this off, so I will update you guys in just a few. Alright guys, we are officially ready to pull this. Let's see if there's any damage. Hopefully there's not. My guess is going to be this fourth cylinder, yep.
That's where it's going.
The compression test only gave us 30 compression on this side. There we go. And that looks like a bone seal right there, that's for sure. All that.
Nice! That's a good one.
Yeah, this head gasket is fucked. Ooh. There's quite literally coolant everywhere.
Alright, where's the magnet?
Alright, so as you guys can see, pop that head gasket pretty good right there. Check it out. Hopefully the head is not damaged. Let's go check it out right now. Alright, let's see. Let's pray. Let's see. Let's go. Oh, my nanos. That is no bueno.
The head's fucked.
Yeah, ow.
Sorry, I'm about to drop it.
You're good.
Yeah, that head's screwed.
Alright guys, so bad news bears for the Evo. This head is legit done for.
Oh, look.
We got pitting all up in there. The valves don't look too bad. I mean, a little bent. Alright guys, so we've got the oil pan off. There's no metal shavings whatsoever. Everything looks good in there. There was a little bit of coolant, but barely any, which is good. So now we're gonna go ahead and pull that fourth piston, see what the damage may be. Hopefully it's nothing too serious.
Looks good.
Alright guys, so we just pushed it up and out, so now we're going to lower the car to see if there's been any damage. See if that bent a rod, we're not entirely sure. So we're going to find out. Like I said, there's absolutely no metal in the oil pan, which is good. No metal went through the motor.
Should be able to pull it right out.
Oh. I mean, it's got some damage on it.
The piston's gonna be changed, but
yeah, but other than that, I don't see anything.
you can see how the O-ring, like you can feel the O-ring here still.
Mm-hmm.
And then over here you can't feel shit. It's just flat. Like you can gradually feel how much bigger it is, and then over here you can't feel nothing.
Yeah, it's flush. Damn, okay. That's crazy. Alright, well, at least we know what the problem is. It just sucks.
Yeah, it took the head with it.
Huh?
It took the head with it.
I know, it sucks that it took the head with it, but luckily we have spares of that. Just frustrating. This car literally hates us. That being said, guys, in case you didn't know, the Camaro is also for sale to fund our new project, which I can't tell you about just yet, but the Evo's for sale, the Camaro is for sale. Evo has to be fixed, obviously. Camaro is good as it goes. So stay tuned for my post about the Camaro coming up real soon. Again, if you don't follow my social media, everything will be posted on there as well. I'll let you know updates on the Evo as soon as I do. I post on my social media more than I post on the YouTube, so make sure you follow that for more updates. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.